In Europe, these plants are considered weeds. What if we were wrong? What if we should actually eat these plants? In this video, I'm going to harvest the roots and try to make dinner out of them. What I'm looking for is burdock, a plant I've never eaten before and I don't know how it tastes. I do know that it is edible and that it is used in some Japanese dishes. Let's see if I can make anything edible from it myself. Be careful when pulling out the roots, they break quite easily. Since burdock leaves are so big, they make for excellent wrapping material. I'm going to try to make two things out of these roots. A main dish and a snack. For the main dish, I'm going safe. I will take some inspiration from the Japanese recipe called Kimpira Gobo. However, I will put my own twist on it, as I am trying to cut down on processed sugar, and the original recipe involves quite a bit of it. To clean and peel the roots, I use a metal sponge, but scraping the root with a knife would work just as well. First, I cut the roots into thin, long slices. I'll start by frying these gently in a little bit of oil. Next, we diverge from the original recipe, and instead of sugar, we'll use yellow plums. They're also called Mirabelle plums. They are very sweet, and I believe they will make a nice complement to the taste of the roots. For the next ingredients, we go back to the original recipe. We need sesame seeds and soy sauce. Also add a little bit of water and let everything cook together. In the meantime, we'll boil some egg noodles, which will serve as a base for the burdock sauce, if we can call it that. Put everything in a bowl together, garnish with some plums, and the main dish is done. For the snacks, I decided to use the thicker roots. Cut this into round slices and deep fry them into chips. One lesson I learned here is that I should have let the burdock slices soak in water a bit before frying them. I believe that would have toned down some of the earthy taste of the root. I also made a dill garlic fresh cream sauce to use as a dip. Of the two, my favorite is the main dish, which came out super delicious. Yep, we were wrong and the Japanese were right. This plant is delicious. I'll definitely make more of it in the future. I am curious, have you ever been surprised by a plant you thought useless? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.